morning students, welcome back to your maths class. In last class we have started chapter 2 polynomials, in which we have discussed about what are polynomials, degree of polynomials, types of polynomials, zeros of polynomials, etc. In today's class we will discuss about remainder theorem and exercise 2.3 which is based on this remainder theorem. So let's start with this theorem. What is remainder theorem? Let p of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. p of x इस तरह का polynomial है जिसमें variable की degree greater than या equal to 1 है. It may be a quadratic polynomial, it may be cubic polynomial or it may be linear polynomial. And let a be any real number. a कोई भी एक रियल नंबर है. If p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, यदि हम p of x जो कि given polynomial है उसे हम x minus a से divide करते हैं, then the remainder is p of a. उस केस में remainder हमें क्या मिलता है? p of a. तो इस तरह से आपको यदि कोई polynomial given है तो उसे पूरी तरह से divide न करते हुए जस्ट a की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है और उस a की वैल्यू को यदि हम इस पॉलिनोमियल में रख देते हैं तो हमें रिमाइंडर ऑटोमेटिकली पता चल जाएगा. दिस इज रिमाइंडर थ्योरम. यू कैन सी दिस एग्जांपल इन एक्सरसाइज 2.3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज फाइंड द रिमाइंडर व्हेन x क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x प्लस 1 इज डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस 1. आपको ये गिवन पॉलिनोमियल है, इसे आपको x प्लस 1 से डिवाइड करने पे जो रिमाइंडर मिलता है वो फाइंड करना है. बट फॉर दिस यू हैव नॉट टू बी डिवाइड दिस बाय दिस. यू जस्ट नीड टू फाइंड p of a. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड दिस? द गिवन लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल इज x plus 1. We can put x plus 1 equal to 0. So we get x equal to minus 1. When we shift this plus 1 to this side, we get the value of x as minus 1. Now the given polynomial is p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we will put the value of x in this polynomial. When we put the value of x, which is minus 1, we get minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is plus 1. Now plus 3 into minus 1. So when we multiply plus and minus sign, we get a minus sign. And 3 ones are 3 plus 1. Now when we solve this, we get minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. This 3 can be cancelled and this minus 1 plus 1 can also be cancelled. So it is equal to 0. So when we divide this polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1, we get remainder 0. Hence x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. Now the fifth part of question 1 is we have to divide p of x, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by 5 plus 2x, and we have to find out the remainder. Just to find out the remainder, we will not completely divide these terms. We will put this term is equal to 0 and find the value of x. When we put this term as 0, we get 2x equal to plus 5. When we shift this to this side, we get minus 5. And to find the value of x, we will shift this 2 on the other side. So we get the value of x as minus 5 by 2. Now we will put this value to given polynomial to find the remainder. So according to remainder theorem, we will write this as P of minus 5 by 2 equal to minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1. When we solve these terms, we get 5 cube. Minus sign आएगा because minus cube है. So minus 125 upon 8 plus 3 into minus 5 square is plus 25 upon 4 plus into minus is minus 5 3s are 15 by 2 and plus 1. When we solve this expression, we will take LCM, which will be 8. When we solve this, we get minus 125 because 8 divided by 8 is 1, and when we multiply 1 by 125, we get 125. Now plus into plus is plus, but when we divide 8 by 4, we get 2. 2 3s are 6 and 25 6 are 150. Now when 8 divided by 2, we get 4. 15 4s are 60 plus 8. Now when we solve these terms, we get minus minus will add and plus plus number will add. So we get 5, 8, 1 minus 185 plus 158 upon 8. Now we will subtract 158 from 185. So we will get 7, 2. So minus 27 upon 8. So when we divide this polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by 5 plus 2x, we get the remainder minus 27 by 8. And since this remainder is not equal to 0, hence this is not the factor of this polynomial. Now question number 2 of this exercise is find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Again we have given a polynomial. We have to divide this by x minus a and we just need to find out the remainder. So first we will write p of x equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Now we have to divide this polynomial by x minus a. So we will put this equal to 0 to get the value of x as a. When we shift this a minus a to this side, this will become plus a. Now put the value of x in this polynomial. So p of a equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. Now solve this. A cube a into a square, that is a cube plus 6 into a, that is 6a minus a. Now this plus and minus a cube will be cancelled. So we will get plus 6a minus a, that is 5a. So we get the remainder 5a when we divide this polynomial by x minus a. Now the last question of this exercise is check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको 3x क्यूब प्लस 7x को 7 प्लस 3x से डिवाइड करना है और आपको फाइंड करना है कि ये इसका फैक्टर है या नहीं. दैट इज इफ वी गेट रिमाइंडर 0 देन इट विल बी अ फैक्टर of this polynomial, and if we get a remainder other than 0 then it will not be a factor of this polynomial. So to divide this, first we will find the value of x. When we put this term 7 plus 3x equal to 0, we get 3x equal to this plus 7. When we shift this to RHS, it will be minus 7 and x equal to minus 7 upon 3, because this 3 is in multiplication with x. When we shift this to other side, it will be in division. Now the polynomial, given polynomial is 3x cube plus 7x. Now put the value of x in this term. So we get minus 7 by 3 is equal to 3 minus 7 by 3 cube plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. When we solve this further, we get 3 into 7 cube is 343. So minus 343 upon 27. 3 cube is 27 plus into minus, that is minus 7 sevens are 49 upon 3. Now here you can see 3 and 27. Both of this can be cancelled by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 nines are 27. Now minus 343 upon 9 minus 49 upon 3. When we take LCM, we get 9 in denominator, and in numerator we have minus 343 minus 9 divided by 3, we get 3, and when we multiply 49 by 3, we get 147. Now both of these are negative, so it will be added. When we add this number, we get 7 plus 3, 10, 9, 4, 490 upon 9. Since this remainder is not equal to 0, hence 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. We can write answer as remainder is not equal to 0, hence 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Now we will start exercise 2.4, which is also based on that remainder theorem. In question number 1, you can see determine which of the following polynomials has x plus 1 a factor. बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में भी आपको लास्ट हमने जो क्वेश्चंस किए उसी के अकॉर्डिंग ये चेक करना है कि ये जो पॉलिनोमियल है उसका एक फैक्टर x plus 1 है या नहीं है. फॉर दिस अगेन वी विल पुट दिस x plus 1 equal to 0 and find the value of x. Then we will put the value of x in this polynomial. If the remainder is 0, then it is a factor of given polynomial, and if remainder is not equal to 0, then it will not be a factor of the given polynomial. So let's check for this. x plus 1 equal to 0. When we put this equal to 0, we get x equal to minus 1. When we shift this plus 1 to RHS, it will be minus 1. Now put the value of x equal to minus 1 in the given polynomial. X cube minus x square minus 2 plus under root 2x plus root 2. When we put this, we get minus 1 cube minus 1 square, this minus sign as it is, and at the place of x we have written minus 1, then minus 2 plus under root 2, x की place पे again minus 1 and then under root 2. Now when we solve this, we get minus 1 cube is minus 1 minus 1 square is plus 1 minus 2 plus under root 2. But when we multiply this by minus 1, this minus and minus sign will become plus sign. And when we multiply 2 plus root 2 by 1, we get the same term, plus under root 2. Now solve this. Minus 1 is minus 2 plus 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2. Now you can see minus 2 plus 2 can be cancelled, but we have root 2 two times, so it will be 2 under root 2, and hence it is not equal to 0. So x plus 1 is not a factor of x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus under root 2. Now question number 2 of exercise 2.4 is use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें कहा गया है कि हमें डिटरमाइन करना है कि g of x और p of x दो पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है, g of x p of x का एक फैक्टर है या नहीं है, whether a factor of p of x or not in each of the following case. मतलब आपको 3 डिफरेंट केसेस गिवन है, हर एक केस में आपको चेक करना है that g of x is a factor of p of x or not. Again, factor theorem is nothing but same as remainder theorem. In this theorem also we just put this g of x, that is this term, equal to 0 and find the value of x. Whatever be the value of x, we will put in p of x and find the remainder. If remainder is equal to 0, then g of x is a factor of p of x, and if remainder is not equal to 0, then g of x will not be a factor of p of x. यदि रिमाइंडर 0 आता है उस केस में gx px का एक फैक्टर होगा, बट यदि यहाँ पे इक्वल टू 0 पुट करने पे x की जो वैल्यू आती है उस x की वैल्यू को हम इस पॉलिनोमियल में रखते हैं, और यदि रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आता है तो g of x p of x का फैक्टर नहीं होगा. Here g of x equal to x plus 2. When we put this equal to 0, we get x equal to minus 2. Now put this value of x in p of x. P of minus 2 equal to, in the place of x we will write minus 2. So minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Now solve these terms. Minus 2 cube is minus 8 plus 3 into minus 2 square. Minus 2 square is plus 4 plus into minus is minus 3 2s are 6 plus 1. Now we get minus 8 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 6 plus 1. Minus 8 minus 6. These minus numbers will give us minus 14 plus 12 plus 1 equal to plus 13. Now minus 14 plus 13 is equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. यदि ये 0 के इक्वल नहीं है, that is remainder is not equal to 0, and if remainder is not equal to 0, then x plus 2 is not a factor of x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now the third question of exercise 2.4 is find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. आपको p of x that is polynomial given है अलग अलग, आपको बोला गया है हर एक केस में x minus 1 p of x का एक फैक्टर है. p of x minus 1 p of x का फैक्टर है, that is x minus 1 equal to 0, that is x equal to 1. x की जो वैल्यू 1 है वो हर एक पॉलिनोमियल को सेटिस्फाई कर रही है. दैट इज whenever we put p of 1, then we get p of 1 equal to 0. For example, in this polynomial, we have given p of x equal to x square plus x plus k. Now x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So when we put x equal to 1, we get p of 1 equal to 0. Now put this value in this polynomial to get 1 square plus 1. At the place of x, we are writing 1. So 1 square plus 1 plus k equal to 0. Which implies 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus k equal to 0. And when we shift this plus 2 to RHS, it will become minus 2. So k equal to minus 2. Hence we can find the value of unknown. In this question also, x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. So when we write x minus 1 equal to 0, we get x equal to 1. And when we put x equal to 1 in this polynomial, it will become 0, since x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial also. So put this value 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus under root 2 p of 1. P of 1 is this equal to 0. Now when we solve this, we get 2 into 1 square is 1. K into 1 is k plus under root 2 equal to 0. Now 2 ones are 2 plus k plus root 2 equal to 0. We want to find out the value of k. So k will be this side and we will shift this 2 and root 2 to RHS. Hence we get the value of k as minus 2 minus root 2, or we can write this as minus common. So 2 plus under root 2. Hence the value of k is minus of 2 plus under root 2. Now question number 4 is factorize the given expressions. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ expressions given है, आपको polynomials given है और आपको इसे क्या करना है, factorize करना है. We can factorize this by splitting the middle term. आप जानते हैं हम इन polynomials को किस तरह से factorize करते हैं, by splitting the middle term. इस middle term को split करके, और इस middle term को हम किस तरह से split करते हैं, that the sum of two numbers should be the middle term, sum or difference should be the middle term, and the product of the terms should be the product of this x square and constant coefficient of x square and constant term. Like this, 12x square minus, we want minus 7x in the middle, so we can factorize this as minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. हमने इस मिडिल टर्म को इस तरह से स्प्लिट किया है कि हमें इनका सम 7x भी मिल रहा है और इन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो इन प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल है. सी 4 3s are 12 and 12 1s are 12. 4 plus 3 7, and when we add two negative number, we get a minus sign. So we have split this middle term. Now to factorize this, we will take first two terms and last two terms. When we take first two terms, from these terms we can take 4x as common. When we take 4x as common, in bracket we will have 3x minus 1. In these terms, we can take only minus 1 as a common factor. So, in bracket, we will have 3x minus 1. When we multiply this minus 1 by 3x, we get minus 3x, and minus minus plus 1. Here 4 into 3, that is 12x square, and 4x into minus 1 is minus 4x. Now you can see 3x minus 1 is here and here also. So we can take 3x minus 1 as common, and inside the bracket we will have 4x minus 1. So we can factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1 as 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. In second example, you can see 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is given polynomial. When we split the middle term, we can write this as 6x plus x plus 3, because 6 plus 1 is 7x and 6 ones are 6 and 2 3s are also 6. So again we will take first two terms and last two terms. From first two terms we can take 2x as common. When we take 2x as common, inside the bracket we will write x plus 3, and from this we can take only plus 1. So in the bracket we will write x plus 3. Again x plus 3 is common. So x plus 3, and in the bracket we will write 2x plus 1. Hence we can split, we can factorize x in the terms of x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 to this given expression. Now in the next session we will continue the remaining part of this chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you.